PlayStation VR isn't a wild reimagining of the VR headset, but it's one of the most attractive efforts that we've seen so far. The head-mounted display, HMD, screams minimalism with a tag team of black and white matte plastic touches. Its final iteration is interspersed with 7 front-facing blue lights that the PlayStation camera picks up to track your location and head movement. For games that require you to turn around, Sony stuck 2 more blue lights on the back of the strip, bringing the total number of trackable lights to 9. All said, it's a pretty elegant and accurate head tracking solution. PlayStation VR looks good and, thankfully, also yields comfort, which is a crucial box that not enough VR headsets can tick. Sony went for a halo shape for PlayStation VR with a single white matte strap that wraps around your head seamlessly, coming together in the back, and can be adjusted to your liking. The inside of the strap has a thick cushion with a rubber finish that holds your head gently in place. Once the headset is on, you can adjust the visor forwards and backwards to help bring items on the screen in focus. The PSVR's secret to comfort is that it hangs all of its weight at the top of your dome, putting less pressure on the bridge of the nose and forehead. Where other headsets start to feel heavy after an hour or so of use, I felt that I could wear Sony's for hours on end without getting that all too familiar neck fatigue.